The Nilgiris district has been very proactive in its efforts to prevent the effect of coronavirus from spreading into the district. We've from day one we've been very proactive in all the measures that we've taken with respect to the entry, to checking the entry of people through the checkposts. We have around 16 checkposts in the district, and all the checkposts have been manned by multidisciplinary teams, by multi-departmental teams throughout the day. "24/7 we have people manning the checkposts, and no one is allowed entry into the district without an e-pass. And even with an e-pass, they are subjected to verification, screening by the health department officials. So at the checkpost, we have a sample kiosk. All people entering, every person trying to enter into the district is taken, is sampled, and if he is found negative, he is home quarantine. If he is found positive, then he is sent to the nodal hospital. And we've also taken special concern on the migrant laborers, the guest workers who are working in our district. So all those who have registered on the website, action has been taken to send them back to their native states, proper coordination mechanism with the state nodal officers and the nodal officers of the states concerned.
हम असम के रहने वाले हैं। तमिलनाडु गवर्नमेंट ने जो हमारे लिए किया है वो रियली बहुत ही अच्छा स्टेप है, अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है। हम उससे बहुत हैप्पी हैं, और यहाँ पे जो फूडिंग लॉजिंग जो अरेंजमेंट दिया है हमें, हम उसके लिए हैप्पी है। एंड वंस मोर थैंक्स टू तमिलनाडु गवर्नमेंट एंड द नीलगिरी स्टेट्स कलेक्टर मैडम्स एंड होल स्टाफ्स.
And we've also succeeded in issuing ration kits door to door, because in containment areas and areas where the tribals could not travel by foot, so due to the absence of public transport, they found it very difficult to come to the ration shops to collect the ration kits. So we have arranged specially for tribal areas and in the containment areas door-to-door supply of the ration commodities. In addition to the ration commodities, we also ensure that none of the vulnerable sections of society are left unattended to, especially the differently able, the tribals, the transgenders, and who are likely to be affected by the lockdown crisis. So we have ensured that every person in the district who has been affected unduly by this crisis is given a provision kit, is given vegetables, and whatever he or she is in need of, we ensure that a mechanism has been created where they are able to complain, where they are able to address their grievances. So this has been done in a timely and also in a very orderly manner. And one thing that in the Nilgiris district that we have done is, we have done aggressive testing. We are following aggressive testing and testing with treatment. So treatment, we give them Kabasura Kudineer, zinc and vitamin C tablets to all the households in the containment area and also the vulnerable sections, particularly those with comorbidities, aged people and children. These households are particularly targeted for giving these immunity boosting medicines. And in addition to this, all those people we have under home quarantine, we have a telecounseling mechanism. This telecounseling center is headed by a psychiatrist, a trained psychiatrist with a team of psychologists. So they understand the mental state of the person in isolation, and proper treatment is given so that the person doesn't feel isolated or doesn't feel left down. Also, we have launched a series of efforts to rejuvenate the hospitality sector, which has lost its business due to the crisis. The Nilgiris district receives lakhs of tourists during the summer season. So this time we were not able to receive the tourists because of the corona crisis. Now the hospitality sector, especially the street vendors, the tour operators, the cab aggregators and the tourist guides, they have all lost their businesses and their livelihoods because of the crisis. In this district, we have initiated a COVID package, a special COVID package, which aims at giving credit loans to small businesses like these. These are given at very easy interest rates and with a repayment holiday. Right now we have fixed a target for the district at 55 crores through public sector banks and also through cooperative banks. This will help rejuvenate their businesses, get them on their feet, and also not get into the vicious cycle of borrowing and repaying.